Brief overview of Panpsychism by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. Panpsychism represents a philosophical perspective proposing that consciousness or mind-like qualities are fundamental and ubiquitous attributes inherent in all matter, extending beyond traditional human-centric understandings of consciousness. This aligns with the Blavatskyan Theosophical view that everything in the universe, organic or inorganic, has consciousness at some level. At its core, Panpsychism challenges conventional materialist paradigms by suggesting that mental properties are not emergent phenomena confined to complex biological systems, but rather intrinsic characteristics permeating the entire physical universe. This perspective argues that even elementary particles possess rudimentary forms of experiential or proto-conscious attributes, creating a radical reconceptualization of consciousness as a fundamental aspect of reality. Philosophers advocating for panpsychism contend that consciousness cannot be solely reduced to neurological processes or emergent properties of complex systems, but must be understood as a more pervasive and intrinsic quality of existence. The theory proposes a continuum of consciousness where different entities and systems exhibit varying degrees of mental experience, ranging from minimally sophisticated proto-consciousness in fundamental particles to more complex conscious experiences in advanced biological organisms. Such a framework challenges traditional dualistic and materialistic approaches by suggesting an alternative ontological understanding that bridges a perceived gap between mental and physical domains. Proponents argue that panpsychism offers a more concise explanation for consciousness, avoiding the explanatory gaps inherent in both physicalist reductionism, which posits that all things can be explained by breaking them down to their physical components, and substance dualism, which posits that mental and physical phenomena are different and can't be reduced to each other. By positioning consciousness as a fundamental property coextensive with matter, panpsychism provides a potentially more tenable philosophical solution to long-standing questions regarding the nature of subjective experience and its relationship to physical reality. The theory thus represents a sophisticated philosophical approach that reimagines consciousness not as an exceptional or rare phenomenon, but as a ubiquitous and foundational aspect of existence itself.